Imagine earning money online without working long hours, struggling with complicated tasks, or needing any special skills. Sounds too good to be true? Well, in 2025, there's a lazy yet incredibly smart way to make money online using AI. Stick around, and I'll show you how you can start earning easily, whether you're a complete beginner or not. Hey there, and welcome back. Are you tired of hearing about complicated ways to make money online? You know, the ones that require you to be a tech genius or work non-stop for hours? Well, what if I told you there's an easier, even lazy way to earn money online in 2025 with the help of artificial intelligence? Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to show you how beginners, yes, even if you've never made money online before, can make money with AI in a way that doesn't require a lot of work. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Understanding AI, your new best friend. First, let's talk about AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's basically machines that can do things that usually need human intelligence. Think about voice assistants like Siri or chatbots. But here's the exciting part. AI can now help you do tasks like writing, design, and even customer service without you needing to know much about how it works. Now let's get to the good stuff. How you can actually make money. The laziest way I'm talking about is using AI tools to create content, products, and even services without lifting a finger. Let me break it down for you. There are AI tools that can help you. Write blog posts, emails, or even books. Create social media content or marketing ads. Design logos or websites. Provide customer support or virtual assistance. And the best part? These AI tools do most of the work for you. All you need to do is give them a little direction, and they'll take care of the rest. 3. Example 1. Using AI for content creation. Let's start with content creation. Platforms like ChatGPT or Jasper let you write entire blog posts, social media posts, or even emails in just minutes. Imagine having an AI do the hard part of writing for you. All you need to do is give it a topic and a few key details. For example, let's say you want to write a blog post on how to start an online business. You simply type that into the AI, add a few points you want to cover, and boom, the AI generates a full article. You can even sell this content on platforms like Medium or your own blog. 4. Example 2. Selling AI-generated designs. Or maybe you're not a writer, but you're into design. With AI tools like Canva or DALL-E, you can create stunning logos, banners, and other designs in just minutes. Just type in your ideas and let AI do the heavy lifting. You can then sell these designs on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or even directly to clients. 5. Example 3. AI-powered online services. Next, let's talk about virtual assistants. You can use AI to help run an online business, answer customer emails, or even manage social media accounts. AI-powered tools like Zapier and ChatGPT can automate responses and schedule posts, all while you relax and let the system work for you. 6. How to get started in 2025. Simple steps. Getting started is simpler than you think. Here's a quick checklist to get you on your way. 1. Choose an AI tool that suits your skills or interests, whether it's writing, design, or automation. 2. Learn the basics of the tool. Don't worry, most of them are super easy to use. 3. Start creating content or offering services. 4. Sell your work on freelance platforms or your own website. 5. Rinse and repeat. Build a steady income stream.